Hi, it's me again, Christian from Microsoft. And today I'm going to show you how you can share your insights and ancoreShare reports with your WhatsApp recipients, and that with just a single mouse click. And all you need is ancoreShare and a WhatsApp business account. Let me show you my today's setup. As you can see, we have here a dashboard with a couple of KPIs, and that KPIs I want to share with my WhatsApp recipients. So I have created a ancoreShare report containing this particular layout container, and let me split the screen here so we see on the right side my WhatsApp interface, which is the same as you will have on your mobile phone. Shout out to Differential Consulting for sharing their WhatsApp business account. And on the left side, we have our KPI report. Okay, when I do my selection and click on my ancoreShare report, it will get the data from my layout container, including the current selection, converting it to a KPI image, and sending that directly to my WhatsApp recipients. And there we have it. And we have two information. One is the image, high resolution. And the second one is the text below as a caption of the image. Okay, let me show you how to create a report like that. First, we need to add a new ancoreShare report on our dashboard. Okay. Then we switch over to export settings. We deactivate the download. We don't need to download the report. We just want to have it as a WhatsApp meta export. So we activate that. Okay. Then you will set up your recipients. The recipient can be a WhatsApp group or single recipients or multiple recipients separated by comma or semicolon, and that can be in your selection in the data or in a variable. I'm using a variable for that. Then we can set up a message. That can be a simple text message or it can be a Qlik expression. Let's use a Qlik expression with a couple of information that we want to share with our recipients. Looks like this, like a header, the regions of the current selection, my actual amount, my budget amount, and the state of actual amount minus the budget amount. Okay, then we need to have a WhatsApp business ID, which I also have in my variable, and a WhatsApp token. Okay, and we are well prepared to do our messaging. So let me go here, activate my split screen again. So I'm going to delete my message from before, and when I do my execute draft, it will automatically create a message and send it to my recipients. Okay, but that is only the text. Of course, if I want to add an image, we just need to add a new element. Add element, select object, and we can grab it from all our dashboards that we have. I'm going to select the layout container, click the layout container, and we don't want to have a spacing around the layout container, so we can remove that by 0. So they will not have any spaces. And there we go. The layout container is now included into my WhatsApp message. So when it comes to messages, there is also the possibility to define if the message should be part of the image or it should be sent as a separate message. And we can have it as a caption of the attachment. And now the next question is, Do you want to have it as an attachment, or do you want to have it as a PDF that is, an image that is part of the message? So both is possible, even if you want to have it as a Word or PowerPoint. Let's do it as a Word document. Why not? So let's see what happens. When I'm going to execute the draft now, it will happen the same as before. So it will get the data, convert it and send it. But you see the difference now. It is a Word report that has been attached. Let's switch that to maybe PowerPoint, to a Adobe PDF. Execute. Same. It will create the report and send it. And now we have it as an Adobe PDF report. And finally, let me show you how to embed it as an image. I'm going to clear my messages before and switch from Adobe PDF to image. Execute. And instead of being attached, now the export will be an embedded image. Embedded means there is no need to download it before, but it is already the image as we have seen it in our first report. Okay, and this is how to share your insights and ancoreShare reports with your WhatsApp recipients with a single mouse click. See you soon and bye bye.